Hello, my name is Samyak, and this year I have made a rope climber which works with the principle of friction and elasticity. So, as you can see, this is a rope which has a good grip because it is between the double tape and this stick. So, when I pull this rope downwards, only the leg will go downwards, which is attached with the main body with the help of a skewer, and due to elasticity of the rubber band this leg will go up. So now I will demonstrate how will this rope climber move up. So first it was down, now it is going up. So from down, it has gone up with the help of elasticity and friction. Thank you.